Alrighty world, welcome to another one. Starting out in the barn today. Someone was requesting a more close-up look at the tank here. So I'm showing you all the imperfections of it, and I don't want to say the, I mean you can kind of see, I guess, yeah, there you go. There you go. It's gross, but it's mine and I did it. I still need a, like I said, I could take the tank off and do it again with a better coat. I might actually, the original video that I started doing this and I showed it, I actually took sandpaper and I went all the way along like a vertical line. And I really liked the look of that. It's the thumbnail of that picture or that video. I can't remember what episode it is, but perhaps I'll do that again. I also had some people that suggested painting the bottom here black, kind of so it morphs into here a little bit more and the line just looks a little bit better. I don't know if I agree that it would look better. Also, it's more work, so I don't know if I want to do that. Highly recommend a nice little wide tire. And yeah, all right, let's get out there. We gotta go run an errand, and it's been a few days since I rode this here beastie. So we'll get it out, we'll warm it up, and that'll be that. Okay, here we go. Like I said, been a couple days since I've been out. I do need to tighten my chain, and I have not done it yet. Worst case from what I've seen, and it's not like that loose, it's not like diabolically loose, but it's another one of those like random general maintenance things that I should do, or that I want to do, that you need to do, whatever. And I haven't done it yet. It's like low 40s right now, as cold as it's going to be when Formula One races in Las Vegas this week. I'm not used to these gloves again, man. Like the grip that I'm allowed here, not allowed, the I don't know what you want to call it. I can't extend my, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, exactly, 100%, know what I mean? Just like that. It does feel good to get back out here though, must be said. Even though it's a little bit chilly. I am at a loss for words. Been busy lately, dude. Haven't been riding, been busy. Like I said too, I've been like periodically saying like, oh, I'm not gonna go out because of my chain, but like it's fine. See, I cannot cruise control as effectively or as easily now, which is a shame. But I don't really I don't use it to cruise control per se. I use it to like do what I just tried to do and adjust my glove a little bit. Which way do we want to go here? I don't know if I like kind of want to go a little bit of the fun way. Let's do it. Yeah, so with the maintenance and the chain, I want to tighten the chain again. From what I've seen of riding around with too loose of a chain, you're at risk of wearing down your sprocket more. And I've kind of been thinking that's like the next non-aesthetic but performance-based upgrade that I've been thinking about. Someone recommended that to me. I don't know if it was based off my riding. I think it might have been a combination of the fact that I chill and at 5,000 RPMs, and I put a lot of miles in on this bike for the type of bike it is. So I think the stock is a 15-tooth sprocket, and the 16-tooth, everything will, you run a little bit more consistent, if you will. That was a cop. Bike was a little dusty too, because I made I was cutting, oh, what's that? A stick. We're good. I made a dartboard mount thing. Holy moly, Infinity. Don't know what this blue car is, but you're ruining my mood. So I found a dartboard at the dump a few weeks ago, months ago maybe, and I didn't know what to do with it. And I was staring at it, and I wanted to put it up on a wall in my barn, but I couldn't figure out which wall. Okay, so I couldn't figure out which wall to put it on. I didn't want you to just be like facing, well, you're going to be facing a wall, of course, but I didn't know which wall to put it on, and I don't, not like I've like shown off the interior of my barn per se, but the walls are not really ideal for just mounting a dartboard. So I decided to cut up some of the random lumber that I had, and I went out and bought some stain for 20 bucks, and I bought a new set of darts for like 22 bucks, and I made myself a movable regulation height dartboard thing. And the long and short of telling you about this is, when I started doing it, I was doing all my cutting and stuff like that. I had the bike covered with a tarp or whatever, cloth, and then I don't know, at one point I took the tarp off of it because I just love going in the barn and looking at my bike, as one do. And so I did that, and then I think I had like a couple more cuts that I ended up doing, and I got carried away and like got a little sawdusty. So we brushed it off before we went out though. But it's also kind of funny, like you I don't know, it could use a bath, but now it's cold, and I don't exactly want to be like washing my bike in like 40-degree weather, you know. Used to do it with a beer in the sun or in the shade, but it was hot, you know. Dude, oh dude, I miss these noises, these cracks and pops. Sir, looking me up and down. Yeah, so it's cold, but I don't want to give up this visceral feeling that I love so much, you know. Don't winterize your bike, just keep riding it. There you go. That's my thoughts. And don't reverse out of your driveway on state roads. It's actually illegal. Actually, it looks like he just did like a fucking U-turn right there, which is interesting. Also, probably not cool. But no. Obviously, like, if you, well, there's been certain things that I've been doing. Like, I've been doing a lot of errands, but I've got like boxes of things to return, or like I've brought stuff to Goodwill, you know, so that can't be done on the bike. But as I like to say, anything that can be done on a backpack or in a backpack, as long as there's not ice on the roads, I want to get out there and do a false neutral. What the fuck was that? That was weird. Anyway, I forgot how to ride, it seems. Nice church. Nice looking church, a little colonial church. Oh, that's a. I'll bet you that's a not crash derby. What's it called? Yeah. What the hell's it called? The. Bit of the fun way, because it's fun. But I got some things I gotta do when I get home. I got a buddy over coming tonight. Wait, a buddy coming over tonight. Overcoming what? Who knows? Gonna catch up. It's been a while since I've seen him. One of a college friend. Do we go straight or left here? We could do either. I think we're gonna go straight. But this Altima's gonna ruin my fun, ain't they? Alright, maybe we'll go left. No. Let's go straight. Fuck it. Gas too, though. I wonder what he was smiling at. Yeah, like I don't have the flexibility in these gloves. There you go. That was tough. That was tough. Yeah, so the leaves are gone, just about. Any ones that are still on there just look dead and not happy. It's all good though. There's a dog out the window of this vehicle. remember if there's a passing lane here, but I think there is. Passing zone, should I say? Or maybe there isn't, and I just do it anyway sometimes. No, there isn't. Oh, wow, that fogged up my visor. Dude, I don't remember my bike sounding this grunty, but I like it. Bop, 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 bop. I wonder what that is, this big red brick building here. I want it. Turn it into like a, looks like one of those, like, you know, abandoned insane asylums that people turn into like a paintball facility or something. I've never done paintball or airsoft or anything like that, but I do think that that would be a cool business to run. Like, just buy like a crap ton of property or something like that, put a bunch of broken cars around there or whatever, and let people do things. Everybody gets to go before me, except you. That's another thing too, dude. Why can't I get this freaking blinker off with these gloves? Very good. Not very good at all. Ooh, what do we got? A little bump fender bender here or something? See fingers being pointed. Uh-oh. That's some spice. Not happy. That's awkward. I hate that I couldn't assess that. I feel like, well, obviously on a bike, yeah, I'm paying more attention to what I'm doing than in a car. This is typically the way. And first errand of the day here. Come on, can we go? My feet are up. They have to stay up. Little Home Depot action. Grabbing some things for the things next to the thing. I gotta go to that aisle and get that thing. Know what I mean? So I think maybe we'll just take off here, world. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now. Oh, we're not making this light. Fiddlesticks. It's alright. Can't find neutral. There it is. Okay, bye. Bye, 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 bye. See ya. Auf Wiedersehen.